So I quickly wanted to just wrap up with you guys just to drive all of the points home regarding the advantages and disadvantages of the keyword-driven framework, just to kind of tie it all together. And the keyword-driven framework, it is a fantastic way to start writing automated functional tests. It is way better than record and replay because of the utilization of methods, right? Methods are just one of the great programming concepts that allow us to encapsulate reusable code into a single place and then utilize the method so that whenever we make a change in a single place, now that change is going to be reflected in all of the places where that method is used. And that's fantastic. Obviously making our code more reusable. And when our code is more reusable, we spend a lot less time on maintenance. And when we spend a lot less time on maintenance, that makes our code more resilient to changes that we know are coming 100% of the time. Sadly, the keyword-driven framework is not the best approach to writing automated functional tests, and there are better approaches to doing this. And it does have some disadvantages. One thing that you might envision in the future is as we continue to write our tests, we're going to start having a bunch of methods. We're going to start having methods for clicking the login button, clicking a login link, typing in username, typing in password, typing in the sign-in button, going to a page. All of these methods, they're going to quickly add up, and you're going to start to have so many methods in one file that is going to start becoming hard to keep track of what each method is doing, even if your naming conventions are good. And that becomes a problem because you start having methods to every action, and then it just becomes an overall mess. And of course, the other disadvantage to keyword-driven frameworks is that any kind of flow changes are going to still break all of the tests. Whenever you have methods chained together, anything that comes in between those methods that may be required, whether a requirement change or a functionality update or some kind of degradation in the performance of the application, all of those flow changes that are going to require a new method added in between, they're going to cause a breakage in all of your tests.